Everyone, Alan from Decker's Pondscapes here, and I'm excited to bring to you today a DIY project. We're always building stuff in people's yards for them. We also have retail stores and we do DIY workshops. So I thought it would be great if we took some video and some pictures of a small pondless waterfall. This is perfect for any little nook and cranny in your yard, maybe by your patio, up by your maybe front entrance. I mean, it's pretty much endless with this type of situation. I got Nick with me today. My youngest son, he's going to help me out. We're going to build this water feature in one day, very easily. We're going to be using an Aquascape Aqua Basin 45. That'll hold at least 90 gallons of water. We're going to use a 3000 GPH Aquascape pump, and we're also going to use the low suction fitting that goes on the side of the pump so we can get the optimal use out of our Aqua Basin. The other thing we're going to be doing is using some EPDM liner and the Aquascape spillway. This is a really easy setup. I hope you enjoy this. If you got any questions or comments, please shoot them to us, and we'll talk to you soon. So now that we have dug the hole, we've got the Aqua Basin 45 in, and we got a level on there. You want to make sure that you're level from side to side, front to back. You know, just to get your optimal usage out of your water level. That's going to be in the bottom of your container. Up here we've kind of carved out a little bit. We got our spillway tucked over behind a rock that was already there. And we're just making a couple of steps down and right back into the Aqua Basin. On the side of the Aqua Basin, they leave a dimple that you can either drill a hole for an autofill valve or for your pipe to come out the side if you're using it as a waterfall. Here I use the bulk fitting. It's like an extra 25 bucks, but that way we can fill up the Aqua Basin a little bit farther than where that pipe would come in if you didn't have a bulk fitting. And the pipe's going to come right out the side and go right back up to our spillway. And here we are, the Aqua Basin is completely backfilled. We're ready to put our liner in and get started building a waterfall, which is the fun part. Spillway is attached. We got the bulk fitting on, and this is the spillway. It's going to kind of trail down, drop right back down into the Aqua Basin. All right, so here we are. This is the completed Aqua Basin waterfall. We're getting ready to start it up. We got the hose in there to fill the basin, and there's just very few rocks. There's probably about 8 to 10 rocks in here, and creating this little waterfall on top of the Aqua Basin. All right, folks, here you have it. We got this up and running. This is the small pondless waterfall on an Aqua Basin. You saw it from the beginning when we carved it out, kind of got everything set up, and here you go. One day, beautiful little waterfall. If you'd like more information, you can always go to deckerspondscapes.com and check it out. Thanks.